Let me tell you a quick story. Last week, I helped a friend who kept complaining that her computer was slow. But really, her computer was doing all the heavy lifting. Icons everywhere, files and folders everywhere. From 2018, apps are scattered all over. So I asked her one simple question. Why don't you use your start menu? She looked at me like I had just asked her to solve calculus. But after 5 minutes of personalization, her PC didn't just look different, it felt different. It felt like home. First, pin apps by clearing the chaos. So what we did was, we first freed her desktop. Instead of dumping everything on the screen, we pinned only what mattered. It's like moving your favorite tools from the floor into an organized drawer. Clean, simple, and instant.